Look at this super cool computer beautifier. Make your computer stand out by animating things. This not just works offline, but its online mode works whenever you search and browse things online. This comes with a beautiful animated search engine. This search engine is made to make your searches smoother and attractive, unlike other traditional search engines. When it comes to browsing mode, it makes browsing ultra smoother. This adds spring-sense animations to make it even more classy. You get a customizable interface with this. This is Wave Beautifier. Get your hands on. Try it yourself. It is fun when you use it.
Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi disconnecting problem in laptop. Okay, so firstly go to the search box and type control panel. Control panel and click on control panel. On this window, go on view by and select category. Select category, okay. Now click on network and internet. After that, click on network and sharing center. Okay, on this window, go to the change adapter settings right here. Now click on it. Okay, now right click on your Wi-Fi connections and select properties. It will give you Wi-Fi properties. On this, click on configure. Now this part is very important. You have to go on power management. Here uncheck this option, that is allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. Now click on OK. Now on the next, you must have to update your Wi-Fi drivers. After that your problem will be solved. For this, again right click on your Wi-Fi and select properties. Now click on configure. OK. Here on the driver tab, click on update drivers and select this option. It will take some time. That's it, sir. If this video helps you, so you can help me by subscribing our channel. Thank you.